How to delete your YouTube account. If you want to delete your YouTube without deleting your Google account, then make sure that you watch the video till the very end. Firstly, open the YouTube application on your mobile device and tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the Google account. Select the Data and Privacy section. Then tap on the data from apps and services you use. Now click on the apps and services and select Delete a service. Once that is done, you will be taken to this page. Select Delete a Google service. Now you can simply tap on the trash button. Now for the sake of confirmation, you will be required to log into your Google account. Select I want to permanently delete my content and tick all of these boxes as shown on the screen. Select Delete my content. You may now tap in your email address. And that's it. This is how you can delete your YouTube account without deleting your Google account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.